guys, and welcome to Augie's Coupon Count. And yes, you see it, we are doing a Family Dollar scenario for Saturday. Okay, we're gonna hurry up. Look how junky it is in here. My God, look at that. Dang. Okay, so let's see if we got these things first. So we won't get to. Okay, here is Moonlight Breeze. It's $3.95, but this say $5.25, but that's okay. Okay. Then we're gonna get one gallon liquid splash. This $5.50 but $3.95. Oh, let me show you guys something. Okay. This coupon is specific to this. So make sure you pay attention. I'm gonna show you the coupon. Okay, then you get one gallon fling at $3.95, not $4.85. Okay guys, so it's the 105 count. They don't have it. So you know to get the 105 count for. Okay, so we just gonna imagine we got it here. So it should be 105 count. I just have that there. Okay, one Downy liquid fabric softener at $4.50, and one Purex 75 ounce at $5. And here it is right here. Okay. So let's start looking at the coupons that we need for all of these deals, okay? Okay, as always, we're gonna start off with the 5 off of 25 deal. Take your 5 off 25, and then see this coupon, 105 count. This should be 105 count. Do not get 200 count, get 105. But that's the one that's specific to that one. And then you see the Game Liquid Fresh Splash. This is the coupon specific to it, right here. That's the coupon you can use for that regular game, okay? Okay, the game flings, and make sure they are 14 count. I'm just picking up this one right here, but here it is, $2 off 12 to 35 count. It tell you what you can and can't get. Okay, one Purex, 75 fluid ounces. This is the coupon for it right here. $3 off, 65 to 150 ounce. Okay, one Downy, and that is 51 ounces. And here is the coupon you're going to use. It's from the September P&G, $2 off. It expires on the 24th. Now, if you have this coupon specific to this Moonlight Breeze, use it. But if you don't, out of the Retail Me Not, the one with the purple on the front of it, I don't know which, I can't read the writing on, it's too small. You could use either one of these. You could use this one, legitimate coupon, or this one. It's an extra $1. Okay? So figure out which one you want to use. So this is your first haul, guys. Right here, you're going to have a Downy. One of these, remember, 105 count. You're going to have a Fling 14 count. You're going to have a Gang Splash for the normal coupon. Then you're going to, if you have this on your app, use it. Moonlight Breeze is specific to it. If not, use one of those coupons I showed you. And then you're going to get this Purex for 75 fluid ounce for $3. Two, actually. So that's how that haul should look. That should take you up to $25.30. And after all the coupons come off, you should pay $6.15 before taxes. If you can find anything else, I'm going to use the $3 coupons, which I'm getting ready to show you that deal now, and I'm not going to pay that much out of pocket. But I just want to show you a straight deal. Okay, so let's get ready to do our second haul, which has to do with more game than anything. But it's a nice low out of pocket, okay? So let's, oh God, look at this, guy. And the guy's so nicey in here. Just, it's sad. But, you know, they giving him jobs, I guess. That's all he said is, I got a job. And I was grateful to hear him say that. Okay, so here's the $2 crest. It say $2.15, but it's actually $2. That's the sale for it. So let's go back here and do our deals. Most of it is gang, like I said. Okay. My God. Hey guys, it's a shortage on mason jars. We've been grabbing a lot of mason jars, ain't we? Now let me see how much this pineal is. I want to see. if they have any. Okay, it's $2.75. If you buy 2 of those, they 75 cents off. Not bad. Not bad at all. So now we're gonna go a couple of coupon matchup deals you could do. I do them. I don't want anybody, do things at your own risk. Y'all know this is, hey, I'm helping you. But if you don't do it. Oh, look at that. They got a whole Tide box. It's been a long time since I saw one of those. And I'm literally over here moving their stuff on, trying to get through. Look at that. They got all their little Christmas stuff out. I'm proud of them. Oh, they got a game box too. This is my favorite right here. These essential oils. This is what my favorite is right here. I love this stuff. Okay, our next deal is basically all game. But you're going to get one more item just to fill it up to $25. The first item we're going to grab one of these, which I already got it in my cart, right here. And then I grabbed one essential because you all know I love essential. I'm going to do this deal on Saturday, so I might grab 2 of these, but I don't know yet. Okay, you can get 2 Gain Dry Sheets. Remember, 105 count, not the 200 count. They don't have a 200 count, 105 here, so I'll probably come here, so I'm going to grab something else. I'm going to show you my alternative that I'm going to grab. I'm going to grab 2 of these fireworks because they do have a lot of these. So this is what I'm going to end up getting. 2 Downy. Okay? And that is the 51 fluid ounce. You're going to get 2 of those. And then 1 Crest toothpaste. It say $2.15, but they are $2. Grab that because it's $2 and it's $1 off, okay? So let's line our deal up. We're gonna get 2 Downies, 1 Moonlight Madness or Breeze, 1 Gain Essential, 1 Gain Firework, but I might end up getting 2 because they might not have it on Saturday. 1 Gain 105 count dryer sheet. Not the 2. I'm just using this as an example. And 1 toothpaste. Make sure it's the correct toothpaste. Make sure it's the correct ounce. This 5.7. Okay. So this is how your haul should look right here. Just this. Let's look at our coupon. Okay, all paper coupons. Okay. $1 off. Crest is from the Retail Me Not 1018. You're going to need 2 of these from the P&G 920. Use 2 of these for those Downies. You're going to need 2 of these from the Retail Me Not, but I don't know which one is. It's the purple in the front of the newspaper. You'll need 2 of these for this and that. And then 2 of these $3 ones for hold it, I done mixed it up. No, actually scratch this one. I meant to put that back. I told y'all what I'm doing. I'm gonna use 4 of these. 4. 1 for this, 1 for this, 1 for this, and 1 for this. And it all will ring in one transaction because I done it last week, okay? So that's our haul. Once we get to all of that, your total should come up to $26.80. And once you pay it down with all your coupons, using your 4 $3 off Gains, your 2 $2 off Downies, and your $1 off Crest, you should be paying $4 before taxes, okay? $4 for all of this. This is a nice bundle sale deal because I get a sweet little money maker out of this. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's my first time doing a family dollar scenario video. I want you all to understand, take it easy, be nice to me. If I made a couple of errors, it's because it's my first time doing a scenario video in here, but it's not my first time shopping in here, okay? So I will put all of these things back and get my Purex because that appearance is not going to go on to my deal, okay? So I want to just make sure you saw that I really did come in and do the haul. So let me see. Let's start putting this back because I did tell the guy to put it back. Okay. Okay, guys, make sure you tune in for my when I do the video on the, let me get, no, that one I'm keeping. Make sure you tune in, guys, on my video when I do the coupon review insert. I got a sweet insert for you, review that me and my cousin did for P&G. Y'all could get ready. You can make some cold deals off these because I already scanned it and I know what worked. She live in Missouri and she know what worked. Okay? Okay, guys. Thanks for tuning. Look at that. Bye.